Yo, what is up everybody? It's your boy Joshy here and welcome to my first ever video on this channel. This channel is going to be getting around making tip and trick videos on a variety of different things like OBS, Streamlabs, Twitch, Premiere Pro, even Photoshop. I also plan on doing the occasional unboxing video just because I get new tech all the time and I would love to share it here on this channel. But anyways, let's go ahead and hop into the subject at hand, and that is choppy audio in OBS and in Streamlabs. So I recently upgraded to an XLR mic, and that's when the choppy audio started to occur, and I couldn't figure it out for the longest time and I was getting really mad. And then I started to go through my settings on OBS and in Streamlabs, and I finally figured it out. And all it is two things in your settings. So first, I'm going to show you the things I changed in my OBS settings. Hopefully this will fix your choppy audio in your OBS recordings. And then we're going to go to Streamlabs, and I'm going to show you the settings I changed there. And hopefully that can fix your choppy audio in Streamlabs. So let's go ahead and hop right into it. All right, everyone, here we are inside of OBS. And the first thing you want to do is you want to go to Settings down in the right-hand corner. Then you want to go to Audio. And you want to change your mic/auxiliary audio to the microphone of your choice. And then you want to go to Apply, and then OK. I find that this works better than going to Sources, Audio Input Capture, and then choosing your microphone here. I find that the mic auxiliary works a lot better and doesn't have as many issues. All right, and so now you want to go back to Settings, Audio, and you want to go to Sample Rate. If you're on 44.1 kilohertz, you want to change it to 48 kilohertz. So after you change your sample rate to 48 kilohertz, OBS will need to restart. I got a pop-up message when I did this. You may not, so just in case, hit OK, then exit out, and then reopen OBS. And yeah, guys, that's all I did to fix my choppy audio in my OBS recordings. And now we're going to move on to Streamlabs. All right, so now we're in Streamlabs, and you want to go down here in the left-hand corner, the Settings, Audio. Here's where you change the sample rate. Hit 48 kilohertz. And right here is where you choose your mic. Hit the drop down and then select the microphone you want, then hit done. And then you need to restart Streamlabs OBS as well. But yeah, guys, that's going to be it for today's video. If you found this video helpful and you want to support the channel, make sure to smash that subscribe button. And thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you next time with a brand new video. Peace.